Okay, hi guys. I wanted to say that we're going to do some science. Me and Mom. And if she will flip it over, you'll see her.
Hi guys.
And we're also doing some science today. You see that we have cups here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 cups. We also need some food to on. You need red, blue, yellow. And so that, let's start off in paper towels. I can't believe I forgot that one. And so we're going to use water in the big cups and pretty much not the little cups. Let's fill up the big jars with our water now. Ding. Oh, hey guys. And as you can see, they're filled with water. So this is the first cup, and then third cup, and then fifth cup, and then seventh cup. So if you know what I mean, let's just get started. And we're going to do red food coloring first, because you know we're red dots, right? We're going to start with this one because it's number 1. So let's do it this. Made a little mess there, but it's fine. This is tiny. Okay. Remember, you put 5 drops. Little mess, but let's do this one. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, and we're done with this one. So, and that blue's my second favorite color. So let's just, don't mind me. Oh, a little too much, but that's okay. So I accidentally made too much, but 1 more drop will be enough. Okay, now we're done with that. Let's do yellow, my third favorite color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we got to store. Okay guys, so you see now that all the colors are done. So let's stick to it. You need a paper towel this big, 3. You need 3 of them. And then you need to cut them. Cut the paper towels in half, and that you see that we have 6 here. We're going to fold each of these in half like this. Oh, by the way, I can whistle now. Now you put 2 paper towels in each of the empty jars. Oh, by the way, we call this walking water. There you go. So now we fold the paper towels in the jar of water. Okay, now you see that all these water. So today we're going to come back tomorrow, and just in case, if you want to know, I've been loving some science, but I also want to play t-ball when I get older. Science and people. You can get 3 a.m. Morning and 3 a.m. morning the other day to baseball. So both the same time. Okay, now we're going to leave. Come back tomorrow. So bye with dogs. I just wanted to show you, even you, Mr. Nathan, that also made some videos in Michelle. So bye. And before you leave, just give me on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up on this. Subscribe to me. Subscribe. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This science film is called Walking Water. And the water walked in and walked, in and walked, in and walked, in and walked. And then what? Because you see how our empty jars are now filled up with green, filled up with orange, filled up with purple, and yellow and blue make it green, and blue and red make purple. In red, in yellow, gonna red. It's orange. So we done the science film.